Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to review one-click blog post by Ankur Shukla. Now, one-click blog post is releasing today on 8th of September at 10 a.m. EST, so we are straight onto the sales page. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be sharing with you the members area of one-click blog post. It's basically a WordPress plugin and also a cloud-based software for those people who don't want to use it on their WordPress or who don't have a WordPress. So it's a both version. They have a cloud-based app and a WordPress plugin. So I'm going to be showing you both demo for one-click blog post plugin as well as cloud-based app. Then I'm going to be sharing with you what are the OTOs, upgrades, so upsells of one-click blog post, what are the pricing point, and what are the features inside each of those OTOs. Plus, I'm going to be sharing with you the bonuses which I have picked up for those people who get one-click blog post through the link right below this video. And these are over 42 high quality software training courses and softwares which can help you in your online businesses. Okay, so make sure before you go to the sales page, check description for all of these listed bonuses. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see basically what is one-click blog post. Now, if you have a blog, trust me, and if you're not monetizing it in a proper way, or if you don't know how to monetize it, the real secret I can tell you is to have good quality content on your WordPress blog to rank higher in Google, because content is the king. Trust me, it's no debate on this thing. Content is the king. The more high quality content you have, Google, YouTube is going to get you rank in the top position. Okay, it's end of the discussion. Okay, so how can you get a good content on your blog without you being ever creative, or even if you don't write a single word? This software or this WordPress plugin is going to help you. So suppose you have got in if you want to have content in a weight loss, suppose you're promoting a ClickBank weight loss offer, and if you want to have a good quality content for your weight loss offer, you can certainly find any video on YouTube and you can just put that YouTube URL into this software and press one button, and all of the content is automatically created for you within just a second. Okay, and then you can basically publish that post and monetize it with hyperlinking some of the text. Okay, or you can put in some banners on your blog post, that kind of thing. Right, so let me show you the software demo for one-click blog post so that you can understand how powerful this software plugin can help you get free traffic from Google and YouTube.
Just go into your WordPress posts, click on add new over here, and then when you go to your WordPress posts, just go into your WordPress posts, click on add new over here, and then when you come down here, you will see my one-click blog WordPress plugin. Now all you have to do is basically find any YouTube video. So here is a TED Talk from Bill Gates, which talks about the pandemic. So just take that and you can just put it in there over here and just press one button. And that's it. You have a complete article all done for you, properly formatted and everything. Now, if you don't want to start from scratch and you want to write about something, you can just take a YouTube video on that topic. There are millions and millions of YouTube videos. Just take a video and then get a head start on writing your content. You can basically use this content as it is, or you can basically edit this completely and then use it. So if you want to just hit publish, you can go ahead and publish it right away, or you can just basically edit the whole thing and make it your own. All right.
Okay, so that was the software demo for the WordPress plugin of one-click blog post, and you have seen how easy it is to pick up any URL from YouTube and just put it into the box, and then just one click the content is ready, and it is awesomely formatted also. So it's not going to be clumsy, that kind of thing. So it's going to be very well formatted so that it looks neat and clean. Okay, now here is the cloud-based app for one-click blog posts for those people who don't want to use on WordPress. Okay, so they can just get the content, copy and paste, and they can use it on any kind of network they want. Okay, so let me show you the software demo for a cloud-based app of one-click blog post.
Hey, hello and welcome to this demo video. Now in this video, I'll quickly walk you through how you can use the one-click blog post cloud edition. Yes, so this is a software we created specially for you based on our customer request, because people who do not have a WordPress site do not need to use our plugin, and they can just use the cloud edition of the one-click blog post to create unlimited amount of content for themselves and their online marketing efforts. And this is how it works. Once you get access to our one-click blog post cloud software, you can actually just log in like this, and once you're logged in, you will be able to just create a new article in just one click. So just click on this create new article button. It'll ask you to enter a YouTube video URL. So let's say I'll take this demo YouTube video URL and paste it over here, and then you can just say create my article. And once you do that, it'll ask you if you want to do this in English or any other languages. So it depends on the video which language is available, and then select language, and then in just a few seconds you will see that the complete article is ready over here. And you can see that you can just simply copy the article, just copy text, or you can just download this text as a text file, and you would have received it instantly on your desktop. And you can just copy this entire content and then place it anywhere on your marketing sites or your blogs or any kind of content marketing that you're doing. You can use this article over there, or you can also rewrite it and use it as as a starting point for writing something new. All right, so this is our cloud edition for the one-click blog post. Very, very simple to use. One-click article creation made extremely simple. All right, so all you have to do is place your order below, and you will be able to get the one-click blog post cloud edition in just a few seconds.
All right, so that was the software demo for cloud-based app for those people who don't want to use it on their WordPress website, or if you don't have a WordPress, you can use still this one-click blog post cloud-based app. Okay, now coming to the pricing point, and the early bird or the launch, the price during the launch is going to be really cheap for that. So for single site, just need to have it for $9. Okay, just $9. Okay, build annually, single site, and install on one site. Create up to 500 blog posts, training included, free updates for up to 1 year. So the pricing is just for 1 year. Okay, multi-site license is going to be $19. Okay, it's going to be billed annually, install on up to 10 sites, create up to 5,000 blog posts, training included, free updates for up to 1 year, and the unlimited site license with the cloud edition. So this is the version which is going to give you the WordPress website of plugin, WordPress plugin, and also the cloud edition, that is the cloud-based software. So both software you're going to be getting with this edition is going to be just $22 during this early bird discount period. All right, install on unlimited sites, one-time fee, no annual fees, to just a one-time fee. Here it's billed annually, so you have to renew it after 1 year, but with this you would get it just a one-time fee, no annual fees. Install on unlimited sites, create unlimited blog post, cloud edition included, works on non-WordPress sites, full training included, free updates for up to 1 year. Okay, so certainly you can see which is the best edition. Okay, so you can get it for $22 over here. All right, now here are some of the reviews from some of the marketers, and now let me show you some of the upgrades. The first upgrade is going to be Pro upgrade with some advanced features, okay, which is going to be at $47. The next upgrade is going to be Headliner for $37, and a photo finder for, again, $37. Then tag machine for $37, and the developer license for $47. So these are the OTOs for one-click blog post. Now coming to my bonuses, please make sure to check out all the bonuses. These are high quality bonuses which is going to help you in your online business. Okay, and there's various type of bonuses that I've combined together for you to have all the benefit. Okay, even if you're doing offline marketing, online marketing, eCom, Facebook advertising, Bing advertising, free traffic generation, WordPress website, all of these bonuses are going to help you in every single aspect. All right, so make sure before you go to the sales page, check out this description. All right, so that was my review for one-click blog post. Let me know how you like this review video. If you like it, you can click the like button. If you didn't like it, just let me know what you didn't like so that I can improve myself in my next review video. All right, so if you're interested in one-click blog post, click the link below this video and get it at whichever price you think is best for you. All right, thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.